10 years. The last time I made a video was 10 years ago. Literally 10 years ago. So you might be wondering, girl, what you doing here? Well, I came back to YouTube because I have a passion for YouTube. Like, I've always wanted to come back and make videos again. And you might be like, well, we know everything there is to know about beauty now. We have all these great and amazing YouTubers. Well, yeah, I agree with you because I am learning from them too myself. But I wanted to come back to YouTube because I wanted to do a YouTube journey, I guess. And I wanted to, put it on the tape and maybe it'll help out someone. So what have I been up to in 10 years? You might be wondering, maybe you're like, girl, I've never seen you before, so I don't know what you're talking about 10 years because I've never seen your videos. To my 100, maybe was it like 500 subscribers that I had? You might remember me. If you don't, you might be wondering, what I'm doing here. Well, let me just tell you a little bit about myself, a little update if you remember my videos, or if not, let me tell you a little bit about myself. When I first started making YouTube videos, I was in college and I graduated, and then I stopped making YouTube videos because, I don't think y'all understand. I don't think I even understand it. When people make YouTube videos, it is time consuming.
5 hours later.
You're always constantly thinking of what's next. So it's like a career. And at the time, I just didn't have that much time because I became a teacher. And I just didn't have it in me. It was 12 hours where I needed to be teacher mode, and then I would sleep. So yeah, basically I became a teacher. I taught 3rd, 2nd, and kinder. And if you ask me which one's my favorite, it's kinder. I love kinder. Those kids are sweet. They're a little messy, if you know what I mean. If you're a teacher out there, you know what I'm talking about. When you tell those kids, take that finger out of your nose, you know what I'm talking about, right? Even if you have kids, you should know. Imagine having 15 kids just in one room and all day. Yeah, so you need to hug a teacher if you know a teacher, if you have a teacher, if your aunt, your mom, your sister, your grandma's a teacher, or heck, if your boyfriend's a teacher, hug them. They need lots and lots of hugs. They also need some alcohol from time to time. If you know what I mean. I did. Yeah, but that's the way it is. And if you don't know, I'm sure you'll find out one day. So after I became a teacher, I stopped teaching, and around this time my uncle asked me if I wanted to be part of his business, which was the restaurant, and I said yes, let's do it. I'm excited for this. I don't no longer care about being a teacher because it was so stressful. And when I say stressful, I mean it was Miss Korea for 8 months, and then it was Myra for 2, and maybe some holidays when I wasn't sleeping. I became pretty much anything that you can think of in a restaurant except for cook. I did it. And man, my hat's off to y'all. If you're working a restaurant service, if you're a cashier, anything in the restaurant service, it is hard. And when I say it's hard, it's hard. So now I kind of step back and I'm doing just, books and stuff like that. But now I'm just helping my uncle, basically. I thought of maybe coming back to YouTube and doing some videos, because it's my passion, as I am also working on a different career that I'm also, focused on. So I wanted to come back and do these videos, and hopefully it can help someone. That's my goal. If it helps someone, as I'm helping myself, and we can do it. So let's do it, right? Anyways, so you're wondering what type of videos are you gonna make this time? Well, I love beauty, and beauty's not just makeup, of course. Beauty's also fitness. It's also, what you eat. It's also tips, also mental health. So that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to do a bunch of videos that's gonna help you feel beautiful. You might say, well, are you an expert on this? Like, why? You know, why are you gonna make videos on this? Are you know something I don't? Let's just start by, I've lost and gained probably 120 pounds over 10 years. You know, I lose weight, I gain weight, I lose weight. I've lost 50 pounds one time, I gained another 60 pounds, and then I gained another 20 pounds, and then I lost 50 pounds. So pretty much I know how to lose weight. That's something I'm really good at, except for the past 4 years I had some mental issues due to teaching, which is why I stopped teaching. That's what was holding me back and losing the weight, because as you can tell, there's more to love.
Look at that fluffy unicorn!
Right? So basically, I am back trying to make some YouTube videos, help out anybody that wants to listen, and shout out to all my friends, past, future, to all the people that have been along my life that have told me, hey Mayra, you know what, try the YouTube thing again and see how it goes this time. You know, I'm trying to make a short video and tell you all about me and the 10 years been off YouTube, or pretty much do you know about me before that? Now you know. And about my personal life over the past 10 years, I moved out of my mom's house because I got married. Dun, 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 dun. Finally, I got married. My boyfriend, who was, you know, we've been together for 12 years. Now he became a husband just a year and a half ago. So I could make videos of that too, you know. I know so much of weddings. It is crazy, y'all. It's amazing how much I learned over making, you know, because pretty much I planned my whole wedding. And I have a new dog. Her name's Coco Booba. If you ever watch my old videos, or if you care to watch them now, you might see Booba. And he passed away. He was such a good dog, but you know, he's in heaven now. And now I have Coco, which I just got about 6 months ago. She just, you know, she's a new baby. And yeah, so I'll just say, you know, let's do this. Let's see where we can get, you know, try to lose some weight. You know, my videos are not just gonna be fitness, and they're pretty much, I'm gonna try anything. I'm gonna experiment with different videos, different styles. I'm gonna try to learn everything there is about stuff that I want to teach others, and you know, stuff I already know. Like, I know a lot of meals. Oh man, I know how to make meals that are unhealthy healthy, and man, for them to taste good, it's hard. You know, you have to be on Pinterest 24/7, just scrolling. But yeah, you have to scroll down to find all those recipes, and I got them for you. All right, so come along. Come along with me. Let's see where I get, and let's see where this journey takes me. And you know, if you care to learn more about me, you can comment or subscribe, you know, like it. I mean, if you don't like it, don't like it. If you have comments to say, good or bad, comment. And subscribe if you want to follow along.